Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Well, we have another clearance event at the Dollar General. I believe this is the 7th one this year. I think it's just a sign of the times. They're looking at their books and they're like, we need another clearance event to give people better deals and to get more shoppers in the store. It's taking place from the 15th of November right till the 21st, so it's a whole week long. And why this interests me is because the clearance items that you can pair with digital coupons an additional 50% off in that specific window. It's in-store only. You cannot order this stuff through the app. You got to go in store and make these deals happen. And let's talk about what you should be doing to get prepared. Obviously, scouting your store, walking through the aisles, the clearance section, is this worth your time and gas? I would definitely brush up also on the new penny items because you might find quite a few penny items on Friday the 15th. Load your digital coupons, write a list, obviously have fun with the event as well. For the purposes of this video, we are looking at stores that are 50% off of cost, not a 70 store. And just to give you a pop quiz, so right on the 15th, an item that was perhaps $1 at 50% off will be 50 cents. And I am providing all of the UPCs, so at home, throw this on a TV to scan to load the digital coupons. It's easy as that. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, this video does take a little bit of work, and I went out and got all fresh new photos and such. If you could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, you're really helping me out and the channel to make sure that this video doesn't end up in a YouTube timeout. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Let's dive right into this. Okay, so the first item, if you grab 2 of these Febreze wax melt, it must be in this old packaging. It'll be exactly $2.90 on Friday. We have a $3.30 off of 2, so it's going to make it free and 40 cents of overage. At an updated store, it's just a free item. At a non-updated store, it's probably the tax. I recommend that you grab perhaps another item. And this Febreze Serene Air Effect, the digital coupon is attaching. I think the last clearance event it was, and then at the register it wasn't. This one is kind of a wild card, so just be really mindful of that. I think the old-fashioned wax will be fine, but this one, she's tricky. This is another one that's brand new. It's the 100 count of the Arm & Hammer dryer sheets. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. So it's dropping this guy down to 30 cents. And always look at the digital coupon. What is the expiry date? When's the last day I can do this? Because this clearance event is almost a week long. So just always be paying attention, guys. Next fantastic deal is on these Snuggle scent beads, and they are the smaller ones. So at 50% off with the $1.50 digital coupon, it's 37 cents. We have the original scent or the super fresh, and these have recently made their way into the clearance section. The last clearance event, the last couple days of the event, they started pulling more stuff out. So you will probably find a lot of these. These are the much larger containers. They're going to be $3 starting on Friday. We have a $2 cashback. So you're going to pay that full $3 and then you're going to get $2 back. So after that, it'll make it $1 after the cashback. It's kind of like IBOTTA at Dollar General. So hopefully you can find this one. And a lot of this stuff might not even be in the clearance section too, which is kind of funny. We have some Bounce dryer sheets, this 50 count. We have a $1 digital. So after that, it's $1.47. So hopefully you could follow my lead here that this is a very heavy detergent-based clearance event. And a lot of this stuff did not make the clearance section. So you might score really big, guys, and this is stuff I would definitely look for when you're scouting. We have a 60 count of the freshwater sparkle flings, and let's hope and pray that it rings up 50%. If it has the clearance tag on it, it should. So with the $3 digital, it would be $4.17. This is a start the car price. Like, it's just absolutely fantastic. And we also have the larger fireworks scent beads. This is the big one, 24 ounces. After the $3 digital, it's $4.17. And definitely a stock up price, and hopefully you can track them down. At the very least, load that digital coupon because some tremendous savings right there. And if you look at that coupon as well, it says store coupon. They kind of changed a lot of the P&G coupons to say store coupons, so that has not we noticed that Dollar General. And now we're looking at the bottom one, which is the Downy Rinse and Refresh. I really like this for towels. We have a $1.05 digital coupon, so it makes this guy $1.97. The Gain one at the top, which is also in the clearance section, it's really expensive and there is no digital coupon, even at 50% off. Perhaps if you find it at a 70 store, by all means, but it was like costly, so I just didn't include it. The one in the bottom is the one that we are looking for. Now, this one excites me. It's a liquid refill for Dial, so it is going to be $3. We have a $2 cash back, so you would pay that $3, and then like IBOTTA, it'll be credited that $2 into your account. The limit for this is 1, and for the Snuggle that we were talking about a couple slides previous, it's also a limit of 1. So you always have to pay attention to how many you can do. Just don't go crazy with this. Now we have the 409 carpet. We have a $1 digital coupon, so from $3.60 it'll be $1.80 starting on Friday. Subtracting that digital coupon, it's going to be 80 cents. If you have a lot of pets, you probably know that this is magic in a bottle. I've used some of it recently and I do love this product. Another item that's not flying out of the clearance section, if you have a disposal at your house. It's this product by Drano. We have a 75-cent digital, so it'll make this guy 37 cents on Friday. So this is not a bad little product. If you have a garbage disposal at your house and you want it to smell lemon fresh, it's some magic right there. And then we have this 4-pack, pardon me, of the magic erasers. So after the 50% off and this $1 digital coupon, it's going to be $1.47. So some savings right there. As the clearance event is going to go from week 1 to week 2, perhaps on Sunday there might be an Ajax coupon. Like this was a wild card one that showed up the Sunday, and we were able to get like overage on it. It is called the Lemon Super Degreaser. It's going to be $1.12 with no coupon, but I would love a coupon. And then this big jug for $2.02. Every single clearance section that I was like looking around in, they had these merchandise everywhere. True Living is a Dollar General brand. I'm pretty sure it's made in the same plant as P&G. Their detergent or their liquid always seems very similar. This is another wild card if we get a coupon that's very valuable for Febreze. Last time around we had a $5 one making this 17 cents, but the following Sunday, the 17th, are we going to get a digital coupon, yes or no? We'll have to wait and see. And another possible wild card is the Airwick for that following Sunday at $2.25. It would be really nice if we got a decent digital coupon to go with this guide to get at them very cheap. We haven't had very good Airwick coupons in the last couple clearance events. At 50 cents, we have these 3 packs of the Kleenex to go. Obviously, with the winter months, if this is your thing, I think everybody should carry this in your car and your purse. But this is another item. I would love a coupon for that, but we'll have to wait and see. And the Vaseline, this guy, it was in the last clearance event, so after 50% off and a $2 digital, it's going to be $1.15. This is a very large bottle, so definitely I would be stocking up. Another lotion is the Jergens Skin Firming. Like, I really hope that IBOTTA or the Dollar General IBOTTA thing, the cashback, or something, because I would love to get a couple Jergens. Wouldn't that be nice? And then the Biore, there's a whole bunch of different scrubs and stuff. $2. Sometimes there is a cashback that floats in and out. So we'll have to wait and see what we get. I mean, it's kind of like a waiting game. And this video is also made earlier in the week. Towards Friday, maybe there might be some more coupons. And this Noxzema, I would love to buy all of them, but I'm not paying $2.25. So we need some sort of rebate or something to populate, because I would love that. We'll have to wait and see. And Cetaphil for $3.60. I mean, I think most of us love this sort of fancier body wash, and when you can get it dirt cheap, you know. An alternative thing would be maybe to get to do it with a 5 off 25 on Saturday. That could be an idea. And then these bar soaps, $4 for the Dove. I mean, I really need a coupon to go with that. So hopefully something shows up. But yeah, bar soap is a really hard thing to coupon for lately. And then we have the 6-pack of the Caress. I saw this at various stores for $2.62. If I had some crazy overage, definitely an item I would be grabbing to pick up that overage. Very end of the video, guys, I'm going to pin this video because there are so many different like pennies that have been showing up, including food, cold medication. I show all the UPCs and what I've been finding. It might be worth looking at this video before you go shopping on Friday the 15th. And also another video I'm going to link is how to use the Dollar General app and how to successfully scan the barcodes with the app to see what the price of items are. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.